Off-the-job training. Off-the-job training takes many forms. Here, we will discuss some of the common off-the-job training methods. Classroom lectures. This type of off-the-job training takes place in a classroom-like environment. It involves a trainer providing instruction in a lecture format. Trainees learn crucial skills needed for their jobs and have the opportunity to get their questions answered by the trainer. Audiovisual. Trainees who receive off-the-job training through an audiovisual method learn the material through the use of various media such as films, television, video, and presentations. Education institutions often use this method to help students remember the learning materials more easily. In the corporate world, customer care center employers often administer this type of training for their employees to teach them how to interact and behave with customers. Vestibule training. Technical staff, office staff, and employees who handle tools and machinery typically undergo vestibule training. Trainees learn about the equipment they will use on the job. Vestibule training takes place away from the workplace. This means the tools and equipment used for vestibule training are made available at the training location. Case studies. With this method, trainees receive a situation or problem in the form of a case study that relates to their field. Trainees receive a written description of a real situation that previously occurred. They are then instructed to analyze the situation and provide their conclusions in a written format. Training instructors then review the pros and cons of each option to help trainees improve their decision-making skills. Role-playing. Role-playing involves a trainee taking on roles and acting out certain situations. Trainee acts as if he is facing the real-life situation. The trainee, as a role player, has to quickly respond to the changing situation. Role-playing involves realistic behavior in hypothetical circumstances. Examples of hypothetical situations that trainee may face include hiring someone for a vacant position or making a sales pitch to a customer. Management games. Management games provide trainees with a fun and competitive way to learn. Trainees split up into teams of approximately 5 or 6 people. Each team then competes in a simulated marketplace. They may have to decide how much inventory to maintain or how much to spend on advertising. Management games help develop problem-solving and decision-making skills. Trainees also learn leadership, teamwork, and organizational skills. To recap, off-the-job training can take many forms. Here we have discussed classroom lectures, audiovisual, vestibule training, case studies, role-playing, and management games.